Thank you for being here.
Now after you've seen him talk and now you've seen him being portrayed in the movie, it's not so much of a stretch that you understand why we wanted to tell Mark's story, because, you know, even though at one time Mark was the greatest fighter on the planet and lethal and he was all these things, but yet at the same time he was this walking contradiction, as you could see, between being this incredible fighter but also just a really beautiful human being who was loving and kind and sweet, and yes, and also in ways broken and just trying. And I remember very early Benny said to Emily and I, you know, I'm obsessed with this idea of just trying and what it's like to try. And, you know, regardless of what situation you're
A wrestler as well, and they have a bit of a volatile. It was a fly. It was a fly.
We're not just randomly shadow boxing.
They have a volatile relationship, but they're also quite dependent on each other. Can you talk a little bit about carving out a space for Dawn in this arena?
Hi, Dawn. Love you. I mean, the reason I feel that I was able to have carved out a specific space for her was because of her generosity to me and my endless intrusive questions that I asked her, and she was so kind and open in revealing, you know, cracking open her ribcage to me as to what went on and the ups and downs of their relationship. And I think,
And as you guys know, with movies like this, it's not always the case where the people who you're portraying are around in their life. And not only that, but I realized something, we talked about this earlier, and Benny, we talked about this. Everybody who you saw in the movie at that time, 20, 25 years ago, everybody who saw in the movie, they're all here and they're all doing great. And I love that.